Hello and welcome to the Schiller training course. In this session, we'll learn how to perform a DPF, diesel particulate filter, removal on a BMW 530D with EDC16 C35 ECU using WinOLS software. Before we begin, here's a brief overview of what DPF is and why it's often removed. We've also published a full article on the Schiller website explaining DPF in detail. The DPF system is one of several emission-reducing technologies. Its function is to trap and store soot particles from the exhaust gases. The ECU manages this by initiating regeneration, raising exhaust temperature, to burn off accumulated soot when needed. DPF blockages usually indicate an underlying issue. Common causes include poor tuning, high mileage, oil leaks from engine or turbo seals, overfueling due to faulty injectors, or EGR valve malfunctions. These conditions can cause excessive soot buildup, leading to complete DPF blockage. Symptoms of this include loss of engine power, increased engine temperature, check engine light activation, strong exhaust smell in the cabin, poor throttle response. Many vehicle owners choose to remove the DPF. In trucks and agricultural vehicles, DPF failure is common due to long operating hours, resulting in high maintenance costs. After physically removing the DPF, the ECU will still trigger fault codes. So, DPF off must be completed via ECU Remapping. Let's see how this is done in the EDC16 C35 ECU. The original file is already loaded in WinOLS. I'll now press F to search within the file. These are the DPF-related maps. They typically contain values like 030, 0460. This type of value is unique to DPF maps in diesel ECUs. To disable the DPF, set all values in these tables to 0. Select the full map and change all numbers to 0. Next, go to this section in the 2D view. Then, switch to text view, locate the related values, and set those to 0 as well. These values correspond to DPF control switches. After modifying these tables and values, press Ctrl E to export the modified file. Save it on your PC. Then use a compatible programmer to write it back to the ECU. In this training session, we explored how to remove the DPF diesel particulate filter through ECU remapping using WinOLS. We began with an overview of DPF functionality and the reasons behind its frequent removal. After discussing common causes of DPF blockage, the session provided step-by-step guidance on identifying DPF maps and modifying values to effectively disable the system in the ECU. This process is crucial for ensuring no fault codes remain after physical removal. Proper remapping ensures engine performance and avoids unnecessary diagnostics. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, contact with us